In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're going to tidy up your Gmail inbox by turning off the Updates category so more of your important messages land in primary and you don't have to bounce between multiple tabs. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and making sure you're in the inbox for the account you want to change. Give the page a moment to load fully so all icons appear. Look to the top right for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel on the right. This panel is handy for fast adjustments, but for what we need today, we're going to switch to the Complete Settings view. At the top of the panel, click See All Settings. You'll land on the Full Settings dashboard with a row of tabs along the top. From that row, select the Inbox tab. This is where Gmail controls the overall structure of your inbox. You'll see your inbox type and just below a section called Categories. Categories are the tabs, primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums that Gmail uses to automatically sort incoming mail. Find the checkbox labeled Updates and uncheck it. Turning off updates tells Gmail not to separate order confirmations, receipts, billing notices, and similar automated messages into a dedicated Updates tab. Instead, those messages will now go to your primary inbox or whichever remaining tab best matches them. This reduces tab switching and helps you spot time-sensitive messages faster. Before leaving the page, scroll down and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh and return you to your inbox. You should now see that the Updates tab is no longer there. Your emails haven't been removed. This change simply affects how new and existing mail is grouped. Messages that would have appeared under Updates will now be visible under Primary or another active category based on your settings. A few quick notes to help you out. This adjustment applies to this Gmail account across devices, but it doesn't delete messages or alter labels and filters. It only changes how Gmail organizes mail into tabs. If your screen looks a little different, just remember the path, click the gear icon, choose See All Settings, open the Inbox tab, uncheck Updates under Categories, and save. And that's it. You've streamlined your Gmail by removing the Updates category, making your inbox simpler